Hello students. Today we will learn the most important technical parameters of transformer oil as per Indian standards IS 335 and IS 1866. First is breakdown voltage or BDV. BDV is the voltage at which transformer oil electrically breaks down. According to IS 335, new unfiltered oil should have BDV above 30 kV at a 2.5 mm gap. After filtration, it should be above 60 kV at the same gap. For in-service oil, IS 1866 expects BDV in the range of 40 to 60 kV. Remember, moisture and conductive particles reduce BDV very quickly. Next is tan delta, also called dissipation factor. Tan delta indicates dielectric losses in oil. A higher tan delta means more leakage current and more heat loss. IS 335 recommends tan delta below 0.002 at 90 degrees Celsius for new oil. In-service oil should remain low and values above 0.05 show contamination. A warning limit is around 0.1. Now, resistivity. Resistivity shows how strongly the oil resists current flow. Low resistivity means the oil has become conductive. As per IS 335, resistivity should be more than 35 into 10 to the power 12 ohm centimeter at 90 degrees Celsius and more than 1500 into 10 to the power 12 at 27 degrees Celsius. IS 1866 allows lower values for service oil, but it must still remain high. That is why we measure resistivity at both 27 and 90 degrees. Next is interfacial tension or IFT. IFT reduces when oxidation products increase in the oil. New oil should have minimum 40 millinewton per meter at 27 degrees Celsius. In-service oil should be around 15 millinewton per meter or more. Low IFT means the oil is aging and becoming impure. Next is moisture content in parts per million. Even small water content reduces BDV and damages paper insulation. IS 335 recommends moisture less than 50 parts per million for new oil. IS 1866 recommends less than 20 parts per million for in-service oil. Next is acidity, also called neutralization value. New oil acidity should be below 0.03 mg KOH per gram. For in-service oil, the limit is 0.3 mg KOH per gram. If acidity exceeds 0.3, we should replace the oil. Now, viscosity. Viscosity decides how easily oil can flow and cool the transformer. IS 335 and IS 1866 both recommend viscosity below 27 centistokes at 27 degrees Celsius. Pour point is the lowest temperature at which oil can still flow. New oil should have pour point below -6 degrees Celsius. Some utilities prefer -10 for service oil. Finally, flash point. It indicates fire safety. New oil should have flash point above 140 degrees Celsius. In-service oil should be at least 125 degrees Celsius. So students, these parameters tell us the real health of transformer oil and help prevent transformer failure.